The Canon EOS Rebel T5, also known as the EOS 1200D, is an entry-level DSLR introduced in 2014, designed for novice photographers seeking to transition from point-and-shoot cameras to more advanced photography. Design and build. The T5 features a lightweight and ergonomically designed body, providing a comfortable grip for users. Its button layout is intuitive, allowing easy access to essential controls, which is beneficial for beginners familiarizing themselves with DSLR operations. Sensor and image quality. Equipped with an 18-megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, the T5 delivers high-resolution images suitable for various applications, including printing and cropping. The camera produces images with accurate colors and good detail. Performance. The T5 offers a continuous shooting speed of up to 3 frames per second, which, while not exceptionally fast, is adequate for casual photography needs. The 9-point autofocus system is responsive in good lighting but may struggle in darker environments. Video capabilities. Capable of recording full HD 1080p video at 30 frames per second, the T5 allows users to capture quality video footage. Display. The camera is equipped with a 3-inch LCD screen with a resolution of 460,000 dots, while functional for reviewing images and navigating menus. Battery life. The T5's battery life is satisfactory, allowing for approximately 500 shots per charge, depending on usage patterns. Thank you so much.